What's up, guys? Miguel here. Quick video. This video is on this Milwaukee packout van. This is a 2020 Mercedes Sprinter that we have outfitted for or as another water damage van, and this is what we've got going on. Still waiting on a couple new dehumidifiers, and this is what we did. Milwaukee packout ammo boxes over here. We've got these guys. They're not secured or anything like that. They're just gonna slide in and out. That's where we're gonna keep all of our sanitation stuff, cleaners and whatnot. And then up on the side we have the Milwaukee packout plates, complete with our air sample kit and screws and stuff like that. Most of the boxes are still empty. We're going to be working everything in to this beautiful system that we have built. Milwaukee red to match everything on the side. Got these guys right here, shelves. This one has to be returned to Home Depot because it was actually missing this piece right here. But yeah, for the most part, plates on top. And then we made these guys especially for these VeloPro fans by Dry Ease. Stacking them up like this, we've got 16 total. And yeah, if you look inside, it's a very nice interior. AMG red. Need the AMG seat belts, but we're not going to go through all that. But Mercedes Sprinter 2500. Over here we made a box, and you can see this is where we're going to have all of our wands, our poles for containments, plastic. This is actually where all of that is going to go. All of the plastic is going to go over here. And very happy with how this van turned out. So pretty much VeloPro fans by Dry Ease, held by a strap, and that's what we've got. This is gonna be Milwaukee van number 2 for me, and I like it. I like it a lot.